What is going on, guys? Right now I have a question for you. You may not even know what this word means, but this word is going to be differentiation. And my question to you is, are you guys incorporating that into your Amazon FBA business? If you have no idea what I'm talking about, then don't worry. Today I'm going to take you guys on the computer with me. I'm going to show you exactly how we can incorporate differentiation into our Amazon business and how this is a complete game changer for your success. Okay, so before I take you guys onto Amazon and show you how to differentiate your product, I first want to teach you guys what differentiation is, because many of you may not know what that is. So basically all it means is, how are you as a seller going to make your product more efficient, better, higher quality, more value, anything like that, opposed to the competition. So your competitors' products should be worse, or you should offer something different than them that makes a customer or buyer or consumer want your product over the competition's product. I can almost guarantee you that you guys will not see the success that you guys want if you do not incorporate this into your business. If your products are not differentiated, then I can almost promise you, guarantee you, whatever you guys want to use, that you will not see that kind of success. So I can definitely count over 20 ways that you guys can differentiate a product. I'm going to show you guys a few basic ones. For example, we can differentiate the actual product itself by improving any flaws with it, and I'm going to show you guys how to find out the flaws without actually testing that product yourself. We can also improve a product upon its looks, so that's color, shape, size, anything like that, or design. That can also be a very good one to incorporate. Number 3, we can also do something called extra value or added value. So we can do things like bundle it with a smaller product that doesn't cost us much money, but we can increase the price a whole lot more, and it's going to increase our sales as well and make us differentiated from the competition. So that is another way, extra value. We can also create a brand around our product with custom packaging, product inserts, a nice logo, nice design, nice name. So things like that, that is going to make you stand out, and that is what is going to differentiate you. And there are a ton of other different things, like I said. And if you're feeling a little bit confused or lost as to how you can figure out what you should be doing, then don't worry. I'm going to show you guys the strategy that I use that will save all of you a ton of time and make it extremely simple to find out how you can improve your product. We officially broke 4,000 subscribers, so thank you guys to all of you who subscribed. And if you have not already, then make sure to subscribe now. We give out more information on this channel about Amazon FBA than any other YouTuber who talks about Amazon FBA, and I am extremely helpful. If you guys have questions, leave them down in the comments, and I always respond, usually within a day or less. And also, if you guys want to get into my private course with my personal mentorship, or you just want my personal mentorship alone, then here is the email right here, askrileyturner@gmail.com, and it is private. Both of them are private, either the mentorship alone or the course and mentorship. So you need to email me to get in right here, askrileyturner@gmail.com, and I will respond to you guys and give you guys more information on how it works and what it is. So if you are really interested in selling correctly like a top seller does, then email me there. And please only email me if you are very serious about selling and you are willing to invest in yourself, your business, and your future, and then I will respond to you very shortly. And now let's get back into the video. Okay, so here we are on the Amazon homepage. Hopefully you all know what this looks like and you're familiar with it. So our product example is going to be right behind us, not the whiteboard markers, but above that there is going to be some sort of file wall holder, organizer, whatever you guys want to call it. So that is going to be our example product, and that is how I'm going to be showing you guys how to differentiate in our strategy. So the best keyword for that product will be something probably like wall file organizer. Okay, it's right here, and there are specific strategies to find the actual proper keyword, but I'm going to go with that because I don't want to make you guys wait forever, but that could be another future video. Okay, so it looks like we searched for the proper keyword. These look pretty accurate. I'm pretty sure this is actually the one I have right behind me. So what we want to do is we want to look at some of the top sellers listings and dig into their product and what the reviews say. So the reviews from the customers are going to tell us all about what is wrong with the product, what is right with the product, what we should keep, and what we should get rid of. So what we're going to do is I like to usually find the one with the lowest reviews on the first page. So make sure that the product you guys are trying to differentiate is a good product to sell based on the sales and reviews and a lot of other information. So if you guys don't already have Jungle Scout up here, the Chrome extension, then it is down in the description of the video. It says tools I use down below, and you guys will see the link to Jungle Scout. So when we pull the Jungle Scout Chrome extension up here, this looks like a pretty good product to sell, but make sure you guys are doing it correctly, because I can already see a few bad things that I do not like about this product. And this looks like a pretty decent product to start, but let's assume that it is a perfect product and we just found it and now we want to move on to the next step, figure out a way how we can differentiate this and compete in this market. So we're going to go ahead and look for the lowest reviews on the first page. Okay, so actually I think the lowest review one is the one that I have. So we're going to go ahead and click on this one, and it has 4 stars out of 5, and we're going to go ahead and see what the customers are saying about this product, and it is going to give us a lot of valuable detail of how we can improve it, or what is wrong with it, and what people don't like about it, and what people do like about it. And also right off the bat, you guys are going to see a lot of 5-star reviews that look fake, and that probably is because they are fake. And if you guys are Amazon sellers and you guys are experienced, then you probably know that people pay for their reviews. And that is also something I teach to all of my private students. So certain ones like that look so fake and too good to be true, they probably are fake. If it's a 4-star or below, then it usually is real. So we're gonna go ahead and look for one of these reviews that is not good. So this one is a 3-star, so this is not too good, and we can go ahead and read this and see what this customer did not like. Okay, so this person is complaining that the dimensions are a little misleading. So that is a very simple fix for us if we want to sell a product like this. Just make sure that in your description you have the proper dimensions and they are very accurate. They also are complaining that there are no instructions included for hanging the actual product and putting it together. Now that is a big one and also very simple. So that would be something I include into the extra value or added value category, because we're adding more value to the product if they have instructions, because it makes their life a lot easier. So that is something very simple that you can do. Include instructions for this product and this customer would have been happy, and then change your description to the proper dimensions. Make sure you have the proper dimensions from your supplier and they would have been happy, and this would have been a 5-star review. So simple things like this you can tweak and fix and compete with some of these top sellers. Now I want to look for one that's more harsh. Hopefully we find one that's more harsh on this product. Okay, so here's a 1-star review I just found. Basically, I think this guy's life would be a lot easier if he had instructions as well. So the product itself doesn't seem very bad, but if they simply included instructions, these reviews would have been a lot nicer, a lot easier on the product. So I just found another review, 2-star. Pretty much every single review that is bad on this product is because the instructions are not clear, or because there were no instructions included at all. So this is a very simple product to fix if you guys wanted to, and they are charging a lot of money for this product. They're charging almost $80 for one of these files. Okay, so this guy right here gave it a 2-star, and he's complaining that it did not come with screws to hang it on the wall. Now that is also something that we can include into the added value category, because all we would have to do is get a pack of screws to hang it, maybe wall mounts, whatever is needed, and that is extremely cheap to get from your supplier. It could even be as low as 10 cents a unit to supply that for this $80 product, and then you would have a lot more positive reviews, and more positive reviews means you're going to get a higher rank and more sales, and possibly one of the Amazon Choice badges, which is even better. Here is another 1-star review, and this person is complaining because it is very heavy, and I agree with that because mine is metal as well and it is pretty heavy. So they would prefer a plastic, so that is also something you guys can change. So something like that where you are actually changing the material of the product itself would not be added value category. It would probably be somewhere in the improving the actual product itself category, and that is a very long name for a category. But basically you could have made this person happy if the product was plastic. You could have also made the other people happy if you had a good instructions pamphlet, and you could have made the other person happy if you included hardware, some sort of screws to hang this product. So those 3 simple things could be a real game changer for a product like this. Here's one more 1-star I see, and this one has a lot of complaints. Looks like they're saying it is not very durable and it bends very easy. So maybe the plastic, a hard plastic, could be better. Maybe this is a very low quality metal that bends and stays where it bends, so that would not be good because it would dent very easy. So once again, all these reviews could be fixed. All these customers could be happy if you guys just look into this, change the product, make it better, and then relist it as your own product with your own label. So I couldn't help myself. I kept scrolling down and I found another 1-star review. This person says very flimsy. So once again, just like the last one, maybe use a higher quality material, and also extremely difficult to install. So that is where the instructions come in as well. So almost all these reviews had to do with instructions, and those little things really make a big difference in your sales. Okay, so another example, I typed in workout bands because I know these things are always bundled with other things. So this will give you guys a good example of how we can change colors on certain things, how we can change the look or logo or design, and also packaging and also bundling. So we're bundling it with something less valuable to make it look more valuable. So a lot of these have bundling and color changes and good logos. So as we can see here, this one's bundled with a video set. So it looks like you can watch videos on how to properly use these, or maybe workout videos with it. It also includes an ebook and a carrying bag. So all these things are going to make it look more valuable, and that is going to make more customers want to buy your product over the competition. And like I said, I picked this specific product because I know people go crazy with bundling things for workout stuff. So look at this listing right here. We have everything here pretty much bundled together. Looks like we have like an entire workout set basically, and they are doing very well with very good reviews, and I'm sure they are doing plenty of sales and making a ton of money. So things like that are really going to be a game changer if you guys bundle things, but there is a specific strategy to how you bundle things and what you bundle with things. So don't just bundle random things because it won't work. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys go down below, click on the like button if you learned anything new. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And last but not least, go down below, leave me a comment. Let me know if you subscribed. Also, let me know if you have any questions, and I respond to every single comment. That's it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video, or I will see you guys if you guys email me to get into my personal mentorship and my course. Once again, emails right here, and I will see you guys in the next video.